Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to take a screenshot on this laptop. To do this, you'll have to use one of the two following combinations. The first one is Windows, Shift and S buttons pressed simultaneously. I'm gonna show it to you right now. Windows, Shift and S. Just press them all at the same time, like this. And once you do that, you'll see this bar appearing at the top of your screen. Or the other way to do that is just press the print screen button, which is located right here. Oh, excuse me, I don't see it right here. So press it, and once you do that, you'll see the exact same bar at the top of your screen. Now let me put the laptop where it used to be. Okay. And once you see this bar, you have to make sure that the screenshot or snip option is selected. Then select one of the four options for your screenshot. I'm gonna show each one of them for you. So the rectangular screenshot is basically the screenshot of a rectangular shape. So you basically just select any shape that you like on your screen, and the screenshot is automatically taken, copied to a clipboard, and also saved to the file explorer. I'm gonna show you the exact location in a while. So if you click on the notification that appeared on your screen, you'll be able to edit this screenshot using these quick tools or in Paint by clicking right here. And if you want to find it, you have to go to the file explorer, pictures, then go to screenshots and go to the most recent ones. Now let's sort it by date. And here is the screenshot that has been taken. Okay, and right now let's press the print screen button again, or Windows Shift S if you will. Then select the other type of screenshot, which is Windows screenshot. So Windows screenshot, it basically lets you take a screenshot of a window. So if you click on a window opened on your screen, the screenshot will be taken. It will look like this. Okay, so let's go to the next kind of screenshot, which is the full screen screenshot. Basically, when you click on this option, the screenshot of the full screen is taken. And the last one is the Freeform screenshot, which is similar to rectangular, except for you can draw any shape that you like on your screen. So just draw it with the left key of your mouse. And a screenshot will look somewhat like this, depending on which shape you selected. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.